Sci-Fi Guy 2094 here. I'm going to do a quick Amazon unboxing here. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so 4 movies in this package right here. Alright, let's start with these. Okay, so I have a couple that are kind of older classic films. First one I have is Metropolis. So Metropolis this is a German silent film from 1922. Or, no, not that early. Okay, 1927. So yeah, this is like a German silent expressionist film. It's considered very pivotal in film history as far as, the sci-fi genre goes. So I'm really excited to watch this. Let me see what this looks like. I've heard really good things about this movie. I've just never actually watched it. Alrighty. So here it is, Metropolis. It is by Fritz Lang. Oh, very cool, very cool. So you actually get a booklet inside here. So there's that. It's probably got some information on... Oh, wow, yeah. That's awesome. It's got some of the information for the making of the film. Okay, very cool. This is actually... So, with boutique labels, I'm not really a big fan of boutique labels. I think most of the time it's just like unnecessary, because you're just basically paying for pretty packaging. But in this case, this was released by Kino Lorber. So they basically obtain the license to these films and they restore them and things like that. So that's very cool. Inside artwork on the cover, you kind of have some set pieces there. So this is my first boutique label film. And there you have the Blu-ray disc. That's very cool. Very cool. Again, there's just the art on the cover as well. I'm pretty excited about this film just because it's it's kind of like a classic sci-fi film. It's definitely something I've been wanting to look at for a long time, and I can't wait to give it a watch here on Blu-ray. So that's going to be great to watch. The other one is kind of similar, I guess. So this one's also from Kino Lorber. So anyway, the next one I have is Alphaville. So Alphaville, it's a film by Jean-Luc Godard. Pretty sure he's a French filmmaker. Stars Eddie Constantine, Anna Karina, and Akim Tamirov. I guess is how you'd say it. we got a 4K edition here. So it comes with the 4K and Blu-ray, and we got a 4K disc here, and then we got a Blu-ray right there. So this will be a nice double feature to watch Metropolis and then Alphaville. Of course, you got a nice slip cover there. Okay, so yeah, that is Alphaville. All right, next we have the most popular sci-fi horror franchise of all time. Of course, you guys know what I'm talking about. And here, let me start with this one first. Okay. So there. Gonna open both these at the same time and then just show them to you. All right, first one, and then let's open the second one up. Also, just to remind you, this was a buy one get one half off for 4Ks. I don't generally go for 4Ks, but since they come with the Blu-rays, I went ahead and got it. Alright, so first, we have Alien. Alright, so Alien, I haven't seen this movie in so long. Obviously, this is the original Alien from 1979, and this one, I believe, is directed by Ridley Scott. So, it's been ages since I've seen it. I've seen it probably, geez, it's been forever. Like, when I was like a kid when I last saw Alien. It scared the crap out of me. But I loved it. I absolutely loved it. So it's going to be great to revisit this. So yeah, there's your Blu-ray disc. There's your 4K. I'm really excited about this. This is the Ultimate Collector's Edition. It's got a theatrical and director's cut. Oh man, I'm so excited. I haven't seen Alien in years. So it's going to be great to revisit Alien. And then, of course, I have to have Aliens. Now this one is directed by James Cameron. And again, this is the Ultimate Collector's Edition. Comes with a nice slip color that is holographic there. And we open it up. And we have... Alright, we got disc 1 here. It's got 2 movie versions, so the theatrical and the director's cut. As well as bonus features. That is the 4K. And then the Blu-ray here is the same thing, basically. The 2 versions, theatrical and director's cut, as well as the bonus features. So, I'm going to say this. I haven't actually seen Aliens. Yeah, I know, right? I've seen like so many of the other Alien movies, you know, the first one, Prometheus, Covenant, you know, so I've seen quite a few of the movies, but I never saw Aliens, and everybody says Aliens is so good. It's a rare occasion where like the second film is even better than the first. So I'm really excited to watch Aliens. I have not seen it, and I'm ecstatic about watching Aliens. So yeah, that'll be a great double feature as well. Got these great additions here. So got Alien and Aliens. I'm looking forward to this, and this was a nice little haul for me, and I'm super excited, and I just want you guys to really really enjoy these sci-fi movies as well as like the classic ones more so, just because we have these modern ones, of course, but I think we should go back and see some of these older films that came out long ago in the 1920s is a long time. So I'm excited to talk about these with you guys. If you've seen these older films, Alphaville or Metropolis, you know comment down below. Let me know where you first heard about these films and saw them. And I can't wait to watch these films and get a review out and just talk about these great sci-fi classics. So that is my unboxing, and I will see you next time.